Hello everyone, today in this video I am going to talk about Android activity lifecycle and I am going to show how all of these methods will exist in real-time applications. So let's get started. Before that, to know bit more on everything, please subscribe my Bitmore YouTube channel and turn on the notification and hit the like button for every video. Let's get started. Here I have already created project. This project is of sending data from one activity to another activity. If you want to know about how to send data from one activity to another activity, please go through this video. In this video, I have explained properly how to send data from one activity to another activity. And I have given the link of this video in the description. Using this project itself, I am going to discuss about Android activity lifecycle. Or else you can create any demo app to see the working of Android activity lifecycle. So let's start. Here I am going to override the methods like onStart, onCreate, onPause, these methods. So let me override that because these methods already pre-coded by the Android itself. So we are just overriding these methods for our use. So let me override that. So first I am going to override onStart method. So add to override, protected, void, name of the method, onStart, then open this method, then get super dot onStart, and here I am going to give a simple toast message to see how this onStart method will execute. So toast dot make text and give this and then give the message onStart, then give length of the message. So toast dot length long, then show this message. So show, yeah, that's all. Till now we have created a single onStart method. So we have to do same thing for all of these onCreate, onResume and onPause methods. So let me do that. So just copy from here to here and paste 5 times here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now just change the name to onResume and do same thing here also and change here also onPause, then onStop, then onRestart, then onDestroy. Yeah, now we are done with this all methods, and onCreate method will be default for all applications. So let me add only the toast message for this. So copy this toast message and paste here and change message to onCreate. So let's run the app and see how all of these methods will execute in our application. So let me open this app. Yeah, you can see we got the onCreate and onStart and then onResume. Yeah, when we open the app we got this onCreate method and it will start the activity. So we got the onStart method and then we got the onResume method, and it's now in the phase of activity running phase. So now this activity is running. Once you do something in this activity and move towards the next activity, then you will get pause method and then stop and then destroy. Let me show that. This is a simple login page. Let me log in here. Then I will move towards the second activity. You can see here. Yeah, you can see we got the pause method for the first activity and then stop method. The first activity is in at the stop stage because we are in the second activity. Once you move towards from first activity to second activity, that will be in the stop. So the first activity will be at the stop stage. So it's in the stop. So let's go back and see which method will execute. Yeah, you can see here the activity is restarted again and started and resume and at the activity running stage. So let me show what happened when we click on this home button. Yeah, you can see we got pause stage and then stop. Yeah, that's all. It won't destroy the application. We will get that back from here. Click on this button and click on. Then we got restart and start method, and then resume, and then again activity running stage. Yeah, this is what happens in the background of every application. So now let me show what happens when we click on this back button. Yeah, it will be paused, and then it will be stopped, and finally it will destroy. Yeah, this is what happens when we click on back button. But we will get that from here if you are not cleared the application. Again we will get the same process: onCreate, onStart, onResume, and activity running stage. And let me show what happens when we click on this menu button. Yeah, it will be paused and it will be stopped. Yeah, that's all. And when we click on again on this application, you'll get restart and start and resume and activity running stage. Yeah, resume, then activity running stage. Yeah, that's all. This is about the working of Android activity lifecycle in every application. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.